Good afternoon, Bob Dalton coming to you live from Allendale's trading floor here in McHenry, Illinois. It's Monday, April 12th, 2010. Well, kind of a quiet day here this morning in the grain market. We started out a little bit higher, pulled them on back, and then went higher again. And there was about a 2-hour period there where they were just kind of sitting idle. And that encompasses all three of the grain products that we're watching, corn, beans, and the wheat, due largely in part to the dollar today being as weak as it was off the news coming out of Greece that they did in fact get offered a bailout plan. Now we're going to wait and see if they accept it, and you have other countries out there waiting in the wings now as well, Portugal, Spain, Ireland. What's going to happen with them, who's going to be there to help them out. So we'll sit tight and see what happens here with the developments over in Europe. The euro was being looked at real closely today, and the dollar, of course, pulling back off of that interest in the euro. Dollar down right now about 54 points at 80.70. Crude oil also trading lower right now, down 55 cents. The crude was trading a significant range today, well over $1. Right now it's sitting at 84.37. We did see a trade up above 85. I believe the low today is still holding at 84.08. So lower crude, lower dollar. We did see the grains move higher. We were up 2.5 today in the corn when it was all said and done. 248.25. It's holding that low down at 344, or excuse me, 343. That would be significant if we close down below there. That has been the nearby low that we are trading in. Soybeans right now up 7 3/4. I should say closed. It's up 7 3/4 today at 960 in the May contract, and wheat up 2 at 467 3/4. Now Allendale has several trades right now that we're not only getting filled, but some that we're getting really close to being filled on in corn, beans, and wheat. Feel free to call in and talk to a broker if you want to know what we're doing off of these little grain bounces that we are getting. Over to the livestock now. Live cattle down 65 cents on the day, $99 is where they settled at. The feeders down 50 cents at 114.02.5. The cattle market, from our sources down on the floor, maybe feeling a little bit toppy here today. They started out the morning, tried to go higher. They sold off that bounce and ended up lower in the cattle markets. So we'll have to stay tuned to see what happens, in the coming days with this cattle market. We are in an uptrend. We haven't broken any significant lines telling us that this market's ready to reverse. However, we have hit objectives in the fat. We got the $100 cash, traded over $100 in the April fats. Is that all she wrote? We'll have to wait and see what the funds are interested in doing with their long positions as the week goes on. Hogs today up 15 cents, 76.37 and a half. So that's the breakdown for today's trade here on Monday, April 12th. We have plenty of ideas out there. We're putting together marketing meetings for our clients so that if and when we get this spring rally in the grains, we have opportunities to get additional grain hedged. Call in 800-262-7538. Talk to a broker. We'll be more than happy to put together a customized marketing meeting specific to your operation and your needs. We'd be more than happy to spend the time with you to put our strategies to work for your operation. If you're interested in doing the research yourself, Allendale can help you out there as well. We're currently offering a planning time special on our research. It is, I believe it's $250 for a 13-month subscription. That's actually $50 less than what we typically charge for a 12-month subscription. So you're getting an extra month and you're paying $50 less. And you also get to receive our Allendale on the go emails nightly, and that has all of our updated trade ideas as well as fundamental and technical breakdowns on the day's trade. So there's a lot going on. Feel free to call in. We have brokers here after 6 p.m. during the week as well, so feel free to give us a call at night. I'm hearing that you guys are getting out in the field, starting a lot of planting across most of the Midwest. I'm hearing at least something's going on. So feel free to call us at night. Once you get back in, we should have somebody here to talk to you. Or you can check us out on the website, www.allendale-inc.com. Again, I'm Bob Dalton, and have a great trading week.